So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to cook home style Mumbai style egg burji with butter and cheese. You have to have it with butter pav. It's really yummy, very easy to cook. I'm not a professional, I'm an amateur. So today I'm gonna show you that. It tastes really nice and your whole family will enjoy. The main thing is you need like good pav with it, which is the Mumbai style egg burji. So let's get on with it. Yeah guys, I'm lucky I have a lovely plant of garlic lasun and it really tastes well. Also the fun, the whole the enjoyment of cooking is when you take out the ingredients and do. So today I'm gonna show how I pluck out the garlic and then we're gonna put it what I'm making, the Mumbai style egg burji. Let's do it. So guys, we're gonna pull out some fresh garlic, fresh lasun from home grown. It's very easy, आप भी घर पे कर सकते हैं. So as you can see, इसको हम clean करेंगे और भुर्जी में डालेंगे और इसका जो taste है, it's outstanding, very fresh. As you can see, I think you should try it. It just doesn't need too much space. You can just put some plants and I'm too excited. This is gonna taste lovely. These garlic cloves are looking awesome. So guys, you just saw me plucking it from the flower pot. और अभी हम इसको क्लीन करेंगे. I've already cleaned it. लेकिन इसका जो टेस्ट है natural, organic, as you said. So you have to cut this and it's really fresh. Look at the color. Here are the garlic cloves. This is the way you cut it. Finely chop it. This is the way to do. All the ingredients are pretty simple. सबके घर पे होता ही है. So here you got the masala box where you have haldi, mustard seeds, jeera, red powder. Then you got some pav bhaji masala. I would really recommend. अगर आपको मुंबई स्टाइल एग भुर्जी बनानी है, make sure you use the pav bhaji masala. As usual, the butter. Butter is a very important ingredient. Don't worry about the calories, just enjoy. Similarly, I got some yummy cheese. My daughter Shania loves cheese. So we got some shredded cheese. And then we got a couple of eggs. And this is the most important part. So we got some chopped onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, very few green chilies and coriander, kothmeer. This will give you the Mumbai feel, the Mumbai street style food thing. And then you have oil, which is very basic. You can use any oil. You can use butter also. So let's start. All set for the Mumbai style street burji. Very simple, very quick to cook. Very easy. I'm not a pro, but I'm amateur. But I'll show you. Tawa garam hai. Let's start. We'll start with some basic oil. A couple of spoons. Yeah. थोड़ा ऑयल को गरम होने दीजिए. And you can just stir the oil in the तवा. जैसे अग्नि परीक्षा होती है. वैसे first thing is if your oil is hot on the pan, first thing is mustard seed. ये हम डालेंगे तो पता चलेगा is oil hot enough. So mustard seeds are popping, राई के दाने. First thing, most important Indian cooking में I've realized, most important is your ginger garlic paste. अदरक और लहसुन का combination. So we got fresh ginger which I'm putting. Some green garlic जिसे हरा लहसुन कहते हैं normal language में. Some green chilies. तो इसमें जा चुका है some nice green chilies, some ginger garlic paste and some mustard seeds. Now comes the superstar, onions. Onions is like Paresh Rawal in the movies, he's there everywhere. So I'm pouring some nice onions. We'll put little flame higher and we'll saute them slowly. The onions will turn light brown. So as you can see, the onions have turned like little brownish, caramelized. जैसे हम लोग गोवा जाते हो कैसे सन टैन होता है वैसे onions टैन होते हैं. Now we'll put the fresh tomatoes. टमाटर डालने के बाद the most important thing is always golden tip by VJ छोटू भाई is always put salt. आपको जो सॉल्ट यूज करना है फूड में वो टमाटो डालने के बाद डालिए स्वाद अनुसार एज वी से. अब हम इसमें फोड़ेंगे 2 eggs. ये 2 अंडे का भुर्जी है, मुंबई स्टाइल स्ट्रीट स्टाइल अंडा भुर्जी. अंडा फोड़िए इसमें एंड देन स्लोली पहले इसे मिक्स कीजिए. Eggs or onion tomato are getting like nicely mixed. Indian cooking में one thing I've realized, most important thing is the masalas, the game changer. You know, like how Rishabh Pant changed the game for India-Australia Test match. Like that, the masalas are most important. So I'll start off with some haldi. I think we should use hand. This is the best thing to do. ये सब जो ड्रामा है चम्मच वम्मच, just forget it. Use your hands and wash it out and then enjoy the meal. First I'll put a chutki of haldi, dhania powder, 2 chutkis of red chili powder. Actually इतना तीखा होता नहीं, so I'm putting one more. I'm putting some lovely Mumbai style pav bhaji masala, the game changer. Yeah, just mix it on low flame. Oh, the aroma is awesome. As you can see, all the spices are blended nicely with the egg burji, and now comes the Mumbai style apna maska market. So I'm gonna put in some butter just to give it some nice texture. If you're too much health freak, if you want to avoid butter, you can. But I always prefer with the butter. It tastes really nice. So just put like a spoon, like that. Yeah. Also, yeah. Now see the way the butter melts into the burji. The most tastiest and cheapest ingredient, our desi kothmeer, coriander as you say, game changer, gives a very Mumbai feel. So put the coriander and we are about to finish the dish. As you can see, lovely color and texture, smelling like awesome. Golden tip from VJ Chotu Bhai, just before serving the dish, just top it up with little chaat masala or sandwich masala. Tastes really nice, and this is your preferred option. My kids love cheese, so I'm gonna top it up with some nice cheese. This is basic cheese, Amul, Britannia, whatever you can take. Why to waste water? So I'll also teach you burji के साथ पाव कैसा होना चाहिए. First thing is, because it's Mumbai style, everything in Mumbai is maska market. So first I'm gonna put a generous scoop of Amul butter. Look at the feeling. ये है maska market. Golden tip. Put some pav bhaji masala. Put some red chili powder. I don't mind putting some very little black pepper. Yeah, and then ये बटर को जस्ट ऐसे कीजिए और ये जो टूटे हुए पाव है मुंबई स्टाइल, उसको सीधा इस पे मेल्ट कीजिए. वाओ, लुक एट दिस. यू कैन ऑल्सो पुट सम कोरिएंडर. टेस्ट यम्मी. It becomes mασala pav. same tawa you can always use. I'm gonna put some more butter. Wow, looks great. भुर्जी पाव मुंबई में, बॉम्बे में अगर आपको खाना है, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑल्सो द पार्ट इज इसके साथ जो है, मतलब यू नीड टू हैव कांदा टमाटर का सैलेड. सो आई पुट some kanda, some tomato, little kothmeer, some red chili and some chaat masala. Just mix it, goes lovely. Now this is my final dish. So you have Mumbai style bhurji pav with cheese and butter and kanda tomato ka salad. It's gonna taste yummy. Let me try. Let me see how my kids like it. Right? I'm pretty excited how my kids like the taste. So we got bhurji with cheese and butter, and we got some onion tomato salad Mumbai style. And let's see what the final critics say. They are my most important critics. If my kids like the dish, I get a gold medal. So let's see how they like the Mumbai style cheese butter anda bhurji with masala pav and the onion tomato kanda tomato salad, as you say in the local language. And they're pretty hungry. Are you hungry, guys?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yummy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Come on, eat the local way, eat the desi way. Yeah. Yeah, good. Take some salad, touch it.
Very yummy.
You loved it?
Yeah. It's very yummy. It's very yummy. It's 5 stars. 5 stars. 5 stars.
So, I couldn't be more happy. मेरा जीवन सफल हो गया because my kids like the food what I cook. I don't know about my wife, but I made this and they really like it. So I'm very happy. Guys, follow me for more recipes. Kindly share, like, subscribe my YouTube channel VJ Chotu Bhai. I got much more recipes. I got some secret recipes. So kindly DM me or comment me on YouTube if you like any other recipe. Ciao.
You know what I'm doing? That I needed. I was making a sandwich like this.